Hi guys, Zerovudakis with Holistic Healing Astrology. Today I'm going to show you the ephemeris. I use the electronic one on ephemeris software. So let's take a look. So I hit the tab ephemeris, which is underneath the ephemeris program, and which is right over there. And then I'm going to show you as we glide over here, we have the dates. So the dates for February the 23rd, and you just click to find the right date. But see, today is Wednesday on February 1st. This is Greenwich Standard Time. And then here we go. We start with the luminaries and the nodes because they all relate to one another. So it's the sun and the moon because they're the strongest influencers. And then we have the north node. And opposite of this, 100% opposite of the north node is the south node, okay? So if it's, and then we have the personal planets, which are the closer planets, and they go faster. And so we have Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, which are transpersonal because the cycles are a little slower. Now we're getting into the outer planets and the slower moving planets. And we have Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. I use Chiron and Black Moon Lilith, which is an abstract point over here. So, and then you could figure out like where everything is by like today, the sun is in Aquarius. I have it highlighted so we could see it better. But there it is. The sun is in Aquarius. The moon is in Gemini. Excuse me. So it's important to know your glyphs and your symbolism. Now down here is the important thing here. You could see the moon phases. And you could see that what days we have the full moon, which is the open circle, and the new moon and the quarters. That's you want to be able to see that at a glance. And then we have the lunar ingresses because some people are into all the cycles of the moon, and what that does is it shows you ingress means it changes signs. It goes into a new sign. So you could see every time it goes into a new sign and it tells you the exact date. So, and it tells you, like, I go by Eastern time, and it tells you, you know, even aspects that go with it, where the red arrow is. So, February 1st, it goes into this, you know, the moon is in the last